In this video, we'll see how to configure multi-region Redis cache by using the global data stores. Okay, this feature given by AWS to configure regional Redis databases. So same here, go to the Amazon Elastic Cache. If you'll see here, there is an option called global data stores. Let me click here. Then either you can click here global data store or you can see this option. Now here first of all let me make it cluster mode enabled. Then here I'm just giving my data store name is my global data store, and this is called a regional cluster. Here I'm mentioning, okay, let create my primary cluster in the US East, that means in the North Virginia. Then cluster information, here I'm providing my primary Redis. Multi-AG, let me uncheck it, otherwise I have to cost more, right? For that reason, for multi-AG I'm making it uncheck. Cache setting, the engine type I am specifying here Redis. Mem cache does not support multi-region global data store. So for that reason, either look here, it is showing either vol key or Redis. I am selecting a Redis. The version I am providing 7.1, and here node type, don't give a high configuration system, right? We need for testing purpose, for demo purpose, we need a small machine, right? For that reason I'm mentioning here mcg.large. Number of shards I'm providing here, I need 2 shards, or you can make it 1 shard, that is also fine, it will cost you less, and 1 replica. Here I'm not choose existing subnet group, here I'm ready subnet group, or you can create a new subnet group. Then slot and key spaces, make it equal distribution. Then I'm providing here no shard. Go to the next region. This is called, you can clearly see here, right? It is showing secondary cluster settings. Here I am providing the regional cluster. Okay, let me add the secondary region is my Mumbai, Asia specific Mumbai. Then here I am writing standby. I'm just giving the name called standby Redis. The secondary cluster will be created in the Mumbai region. Look here, right? Currently I'm in the North Virginia. I'm specifying the secondary cluster, or standby cluster will be available in the Mumbai region. Then location, cache setting, okay, replicas I'm just mentioning here 1. The subnet group I'm writing here secondary Redis subnet. I'm selecting a VPC ID. Automatically the VPC ID of the secondary region is coming. Tags not required. Then go to, look here, shard 1 same as primary, no preference. Next, I'm just unchecking this encryption key, encryption at rest or encryption in transaction, access control. Keep as is. I don't need backup. I don't need maintenance window for preference. Also, I'm not selecting any logs. So unnecessary, it will cost me more if I'm selecting the logs and all. Go to the next. Now review and create. It will take some time to create the databases or Redis cache DB in both the regions. Let me go to the global data stores. This is my global data store. It is creating. It will take some time to create it. Let me select here. It is clearly cluster name, my primary Redis and standby Redis. My primary Redis will be the primary and secondary will be the in the Mumbai region. Okay, let me refresh. It will take some time for that. Okay, this is my primary, this is my, it is associating, it will take some time. It will say my primary Redis, right? If you go to the secondary region, I think you can also, it will be visible. Okay, it is standby is still creating, and the replication will happen automatically. The global data store will taken care about the replication. If you go to primary, if I'm write something, any record here or any key value I'm writing in the primary, automatically it will replicate to the secondary region. That means you have a standby instance or one replica is available in the secondary region. Let me wait for some time, then we'll see. Okay, now you can see my global data store is available state, right? Now let me click here and see this global, under the global data store you have two clusters. One is called your role is primary, another is called my secondary. Okay, so here you can see if I'm selecting here, there is option it is telling you can promote to primary. Which one is currently primary? The primary is my primary Redis and the role is primary, and the secondary one is the standby Redis. Now what you can perform, you can do a promote to primary. Whenever I'm clicking promote to primary, it is clearly mentioning the current primary cluster in the region US East 1 will become the secondary and will stop accepting writes when this operation completes. Make sure to update your application stack to directly traffic to the new primary region. That means application changes are required here. Okay, I'm not promoting now, you can check by yourself by promoting. Okay, the next one is if I'm going to my Redis. Okay, this is called my Mumbai, North Virginia, right? Again, if you go to the Mumbai region, you can see there is a standby Redis also available. You will see it is clearly mentioning the global data store role is secondary. That means my global data store considering the Mumbai region Redis is secondary one. And if I see here, go to my Redis and just click your primary, and if you see global data store role is primary. Okay. Next one is come to the shards and nodes. Under the primary, how many nodes you have? Only one shard I have. Only one shard. Okay. And how many nodes? Two nodes are available. Here also we can do the failover. Okay. Just select the shard and go to the actions and do the failover. Failover means in the shard itself, in this region itself, one will be the primary, another will be secondary. In the global data store level, we can promote. Global data store is like a, that is I already explained in the theory, right? This is called my zone level. I mean in this particular region also I can do a failover. That means it is very high resilient in nature. That means there is no single point of failure. This is all about your global data store multi-region replications.